In this video, I'll show you how to easily remove properties from a JSON object in C#. Working with JSON in .NET, you might use JsonElement. But there's a catch. JsonElement is immutable, meaning you can't change or remove properties directly. So how do we remove a property? Let's demonstrate with a clear example. First, we'll parse the JSON string into a mutable structure called JsonNode. With JsonNode, we can easily remove any property. Let's say we want to remove the age property from our JSON object. With a single line of code, we remove the age property. Now we serialize our modified object back into a JSON string, and as you see, the age property is gone. Using JsonNode is a flexible and straightforward way to modify your JSON data dynamically. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if this helped you, and let me know in the comments what other JSON operations you'd like to learn.